Hi everyone, this is your interviewer Farah and I'm here at the Health 2.0 Conference Dubai. I have here with me Mr. David. Welcome. Can you please introduce yourself and your organization?
Sure. I'm David Rowlands and I'm Managing Director of Digital Health Leadership Australasia Proprietary Limited. It's a company that does management consulting in digital health.
Thank you for this introduction. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you for winning the Outstanding Leadership Award. How did it feel to receive that kind of recognition?
Well, it's always good to get recognition from your peers. It's a very impressive room full of people in there, and to get recognition from that community is very meaningful. So much appreciated.
Congratulations to you and to your team, and we're so happy to be able to award you that. Can you tell me what is a piece of advice that you would give to someone who wants to follow on the footsteps as yours?
A piece of advice, a couple of pieces of advice actually. One, never stop learning, never stop exploring the field that you're in. But two, try and see the world and the domain that you're working in from as many different angles as possible. So in healthcare, for example, I have managed health services, I've performance managed health services and systems, I've worked in strategic development, and I've worked in digital health. I've managed health services. So each one of those roles give you a completely different view of the domain of interest. And the more different perspectives you have of that domain you're working in, the greater your understanding. So keep exploring and keep trying to look at the world through different perspectives.
One thing I'd like to ask you is if your organization operates globally?
We do. I've lived and worked in a number of countries, from the US through Asia, Singapore, Hong Kong. Most of the work I'm doing at the moment is in Australia, but it's a very accessible world globally. I teach in the Northern Hemisphere, for example, so I'm on video calls every week. One gets used to being up in the early hours of the morning when you live in Australia. But yes, I'm available anytime, anywhere.
Perfect. So if anyone would like to reach out to you, what are some ways they can get to you?
The best way is through the website, which is www.dhla.au, or email info@dhla.au.
Perfect. And finally, I'd like to ask you about your experience at the conference so far. Did you network with a lot of people here? Did you learn something new?
It's actually been a very interesting conference so far because of the breadth of people who have been here, or who are here. So there are clinicians, there are managers, there are tech people, there are entrepreneurs, and you always learn something if you keep your ears open. Everybody in the room is an expert, so you can talk at a conference, but it's really important to listen as well. It's still early days, it's only day one of the conference, and I certainly hope to talk to a lot more people yet and learn many more things.
We hope you have a lovely second and third day as well. And thank you so much for being here, and congratulations again.
A pleasure, and thank you very much.